Have you ever wondered how life thrives in the seemingly inhospitable desert landscapes? The desert, with its relentless heat, scarce water, and shifting sands, is a harsh and unforgiving environment. Yet, it is far from barren. A closer look reveals a world teeming with life, each creature in a constant battle for survival. This is the story of India's desert wildlife and their remarkable adaptations to thrive in this arid landscape. Creatures here have developed unique survival strategies that allow them to endure the desert's harsh conditions. Water, the elixir of life, is scarce in this dry landscape. Many animals, such as the camel, have evolved to retain water and survive long periods of drought. Heat tolerance is another essential adaptation. The desert fox, for instance, can endure high temperatures that would be fatal to other creatures. Indeed, the desert is not as lifeless as it appears at first glance. Meet the Indian wild ass, the desert fox, and the Indian spiny-tailed lizard, some of the resilient residents of the desert. The Indian wild ass is a remarkable creature that has mastered the art of desert survival. It can go without water for several days, relying on moisture from the vegetation it consumes. This ability allows it to endure the harshest of desert conditions. Next, we have the desert fox, a small, nimble creature that has adapted to the desert's extreme temperatures. It's primarily nocturnal, avoiding the scorching daytime heat by resting in burrows during the day and emerging at night to hunt. Lastly, consider the Indian spiny-tailed lizard. This lizard employs a unique strategy to survive. It burrows deep into the sand to escape predators and the intense heat of the sun, re-emerging when conditions are more favorable. These are just a few examples of the diversity and adaptability of desert wildlife. The desert also hosts a variety of hardy plants and insects, each with their unique survival strategies. Take, for instance, the resilient succulent plants. These botanical wonders store water in their fleshy leaves and stems, providing a precious reservoir of life-giving moisture in an environment where rainfall is scarce. Then we have the heat-resistant desert beetles. These little marvels have evolved to withstand the scorching desert temperatures. Their bodies are equipped with a unique heat-shielding mechanism, enabling them to thrive where many others cannot. Let's not forget the symbiotic relationships that exist here. Certain insects and plants have formed partnerships, ensuring mutual survival. Insects aid in the pollination of these desert plants, while the plants provide food and shelter to their tiny helpers. From the tallest cactus to the smallest beetle, every form of life in the desert has adapted to survive. It's a testament to the resilience and diversity of life on Earth.